Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our October BOXYCHARM by IPSY, okay? For those of you who do not understand this jovialness right now, I just unboxed this yesterday, as a matter of fact, and come to find out that was actually the September box. Okay, so today we're actually unboxing the October box. Okay, now for those of you who are not familiar with the BOXYCHARM by IPSY, I will leave all the information down below so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so I might as well do this right now while I have it in my hand. Okay, so when we open the box, this is what we see for this month. Okay. Oh, next month is Icon Month. Woohoo! Excited about that. Okay, now the first thing that I remove from the box, of course, is our BOXYCHARM newsletter that looks like this. Okay, and it says the dark glam creator TikTok hasn't told you about yet. 4 beauty frights lurking around the corner, and try these 3 Halloween looks if you dare. So that lets you know that the theme this month is beauty nightmares. Get ready. Something weird this way comes. All right. So let's see what else it has to offer. Hopefully it will be the information about the items we have. Yes. And it also tells us how to fix this overplucked eyebrows thing. Okay. Things along those lines. Not very much about the items from this month, though. Okay. But nonetheless, let's just go ahead and start unboxing. So the very first item that we have. Oh, and by the way, I do get the Beauty Boost as well. Excuse me, I do get the Beauty Boost as well. All right. So the very first item that we have is a mineral cleansing mask. Okay. And it's by the company called African Botanicals. This one is a 1.7 fluid ounce size. And it says purifying clay mask. All right. And this is what that item looks like. All right. Now it says, first of all, this one has an 18-month shelf life. And it tells us to apply a thin layer to clean skin using your fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to work for 5 to 15 minutes. That's a big jump. So I guess that one is for your discretion. Okay. Now, it's not telling me what this specialty is on this one. Let's see. Is it sealed? Yes, it is. Okay. But the manufacturer suggested retail price on this particular item is $85. It's $85. And I'm very interested to see what this is all about because, oh, it says it has a rose scent as well. With canelin and niacinamide and the niacinamide resurrection plant and rose. Okay. So I really want to know, how is this going to benefit my skin? I really would like to know that. Now, I do see on here a lot of the ingredients that are listed are vegan or vegetable based. Oh, glycerin. Okay, vegetable glycerin. All right, if you say so. And it has avocado oil in it, all right, as the 4th ingredient. So that's pretty good. All right, so this one is item number 1. All right, $85. All righty then. Item number 2. This one is by Ciate London, and this is the Watermelon Burst 2-in-1 Everyday Lip Balm and Mask. And this is what that packaging looks like. All right, and it says, well, you know what? Let me take it out and I will finish giving you details as we take a look at it itself. Okay, so when we remove it, this is what it looks like. Okay, and it says this one is a 0.31 ounce size. and it has a non-tacky texture, and it is delicately scented, and it is a squalene and jojoba oil to nourish the lips. Okay, it's good to know. Good to know. Let's see what else it has to tell us. It has an 18-month shelf life. It says this is PETA approved, and it is a vegan product. Okay, so that's not bad. I'm excited about that. I'm definitely excited about that. Now, with an 18-month shelf life, I think I could use a nice lip scrub right about now. Plus, it's a 2-in-1 everyday lip balm and mask. Okay, it's not a scrub. Okay, so, oh, and it smells divine. Yes, a nice watermelon burst. That's interesting. I don't necessarily like to eat watermelon, but I do like the smell of it. And that's this one right here. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $18. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Item number 3 is by Kevin Aquan, and this is the Unforgettable Lip Definer. Okay, and that's what this one looks like. Okay, and it says this is in minimal. Yes, that's the shade minimal. And it says it is a 0.003 7-ounce size. And it has, ooh, a 24-month shelf life. That means we will be swatching this. Okay, I'm here for that. Now, it does not tell me if this is a vegan or cruelty-free item, though. Okay, but it does say it's designed to match the tone of your lips and help the lip color last longer. Easily glides on for a reshaped, fuller look. Truly unforgettable. Okay, now let's see. This is what the actual product looks like. Okay. Now, it said it has a 24-month shelf life, so you know we're going to swatch it in the end. Okay, this is what the shade actually looks like. So we'll go from there, okay? Now, this is very interesting. It looks like there is a blending brush on the other side. A pointed blending brush. Look at that. Okay. So now y'all know we swatch at the end, so make sure you hang around for that part. All right, so that one is item number 3. Moving right along, the next item we have is by Galactic, and this is the Dewy Rose Petal Face Mist. Love the packaging. Okay, and it says this is to hydrate and set, and it is a 3.3 fluid ounce size. It has a 24-month shelf life, and it says it is a face mist as well. Gently shake the rose petal dewy face mist. Close your eyes and mist lightly on your entire face with 3 to 4 sprays 6 inches away. Apply before makeup to hydrate or after makeup for a moisturizing boost of soothing hydration and a dewy finish. Now, I'm not about that dewy finish life, but I will use it when I get ready to do my face. Okay, this is what the product looks like. Do you see the rose petals dancing around inside of that bottle? 24-month shelf life. It is sealed very, very well, but 24-month shelf life, that means we could go ahead and open it and spray it as well. Now, I don't know what that's going to tell us, you know, anything other than what this says, which is that it is a rose scented mist. Okay, so we will be taking care of that as well. I do not see whether this is, as I stated, a vegan or cruelty-free product, but nonetheless, the packaging itself is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $35. Okay, moving right along, I have a little bit of a challenge here. Now, as you know, I did share with you that I get the Beauty Boost item as well. However, here's my challenge. There's one box left in this box. Now, y'all saw me open it here, and it's not inside. So I need to find out what that product should have been in my box. So give me just a moment. According to my BOXYCHARM information, it says that I should have had the Makeup Forever setting spray. So I will be contacting them about that. All right, so there's no need of sitting here giving you any other information than that. The only other thing I did see is it was a 3.3 fluid ounce size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for it was $35. Okay, so moving right along, the next item, well, actually, our Beauty Boost is the next item that is up. Okay, and that is by MURAD. Okay, and it says this is the Resurgent, and it says it's a re-sculpt overnight treatment. All right, it is a 1 fluid ounce size, and it says it's designed to treat the skin. It is PETA approved, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, y'all know I am about that MURAD life here. Okay, love me some MURAD skincare. However, MURAD is quite expensive. Probably the reason why this was a Beauty Boost item. Okay, and yes, indeed, it says the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $105. Now, of course, this is the outer packaging. This is the inside packaging. Okay, now I do like the pump dispenser, you know, on it. Keeps you from wasting too much. All right, but this is nice. It says to use in the evening, massage evenly over face and neck, reduce frequency if sensitivity occurs. Now, let's see what it says this is actually supposed to do for us. Okay, it says specifically formulated encapsulated retinol is tested and proven for 2.5 times enhanced delivery versus regular retinol for higher efficiency. High strength replenishing treatment for face and neck delivers a hydrated, firmer, and resculpted look while being gentle enough for daily use. Okay, I'm here to try that out. Definitely hear about that. I wanted to kind of work around this. I've been losing some weight, and now my face kind of feels like my skin is sagging. But nonetheless, we're going to do what we have to do. We're going to see how this one will work. Got to give me a little bit more time because I'm not quite finished with my Elemis. I'm almost done. My jar is more than half. Okay, so my daily and night, I do have another one. But before I go back to that one, we will be trying the MURAD, okay? In between, I'll probably give it about a week before I start on something else, okay? So I can just give it some time to see if I have any type of a reaction, okay? So, what do you think? Are we BOXYCHARM sisters this month? Did we receive the same items? Hopefully, if we were supposed to, you got all of yours. But what do you think? What do you think? Okay, I'm excited. I'm loving the fact that there's so much skincare. Now, I'm going to repeat something that I said in my last BOXYCHARM by IPSY video. Now, I will continue to get this box because the skincare is amazing. Now, I get makeup in all of the other boxes, especially in my ice cream beauty box and bag. Okay, fantastic. It's always full sizes. That's not what this is about, but that's the reason why I continue to use or to get the BOXYCHARM by IPSY, for that reason. Okay, well, hi. I just want to say I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our October BOXYCHARM by IPSY. These are the items that were included, -1, okay? Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included in this box. Now, just remember, add the $35 on, and that would have been the total for everything. But it's not here, so I cannot include it, all right? So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And guess what? It's free, okay? Make sure you share this video. And most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.